Hi everyone. Today I am going to present on plant layout. Next, objectives. Uh, the main objectives are to ensure a smooth flow of materials, to use available space efficiently, to reduce production cost, to improve worker safety, to make supervision and coordination easier, and these objectives help an organization operate efficiently. Next, types of plant layout. There are four main types. Product layout. Machines are arranged accordingly to the production sequence. Process layout. Similarly, machines are grouped together. Fixed option layout. The product stays in one place while workers and equipment move around it. Cellular layout. Machines are grouped into cells for producing similar products. Each type is suitable for different production needs. Next slide. Factors affecting plant layout. Uh, Several factors influence plant layout: nature of the product, production volume, type of machinery used, material handling methods, and future expansion plans. Advantages. A good plant layout offers many benefits. Number one, increasing the productivity, reducing the waste and unnecessary movement, improves product quality, enhances worker safety, saves time and operating cost. Limitation of the plant layout. There are some limitations. High initial installation cost, difficult to modify once established, space limitations in existing buildings. Therefore, proper planning is essential. Next, conclusion. To conclude, plant layout is an important part of production management. A well-designed layout improves efficiency, quality, safety, and profitability. Thank you for your attention.